In other news, deposit-taking Saccos are automating their operations to persuade more youth to join the cooperative movement. Nafasi Sacco CEO Moses Nyaga says a majority of low-income earners Kenyans have the wrong notion of long-term investment, and with the registration increasing in cooperatives from the Hustler Fund, Saccos are broadening their product offering to tap this market.
Deposit-taking Saccos in Kenya have a net asset base of 1.2 trillion shillings and contribute 7% to the gross domestic product.
Expand our membership from the salaried people to the non-salaried.
However, a majority of Sacco members are aged above 35, making up approximately 63% of their numbers. Saccos are now leveraging on emerging trends and the Hustler Fund to attract more youth into Saccos.
The little one that they have, they can save on daily basis.
Kwa sababu inakukubalia kuweke kitu kidogo, udeposit kitu kidogo. Na hiyo kitu kidogo ndio inakuwa kitu kubwa.
He says with older members benefiting through long-term investments, Saccos could use this as a means to convince the youth of the benefits of little but consistent monthly contributions.
Time is now where you have your opportunity, and the opportunity is now. Don't wait for tomorrow.
They also note the switch to mobile money platforms has improved remittance and outreach, enabling the cooperatives to comfortably expand their portfolio to cater to this new demographic.
If you want to take a loan, you just take a loan wherever you are. You just take your phone. There is a hub that is meant for application. If you want to withdraw money from that application, you can do it. You can deposit your money wherever you are.
Hibak Said for Lunchtime News.